How to access help materials. There are many ways to find help on Access Now. A helpful tips link is located in the Quick Links section. You can also access the Help section through the User menu at the top. Help is available throughout Access Now. Just look for the question mark. Help topics are organized into different categories. You can expand any category to view all related topics. When you use a search term, all topics that contain that term will be displayed and organized by category. Click on any item to view the related help documentation. If you need more help, live tech support is just a click away. Typical tech support hours are between 8 a.m. and 4 p.m. Monday to Friday. You can even attach various items to your chat in order to help us solve your problem.